Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using these Meta Ray-Ban glasses for about a month now, and I just wanted to share some tips on how to use the gesture options for the touchpad and the capture button on the top. Now if you look at here, on your right side of the frame, the touchpad's right here, and the capture button is at the top. So I'll be going over a few actions that you can use for different things when either music or calls come in or anything like that, or photos and videos. So first I'm going to start off with the touchpad on the side. Now, if you're playing music on your glasses, say you're going for a walk or whatever, there's a few gestures that you can use to either stop music, play music, or go to the next song, or even go back to the previous song. So the first one is just touching it. One touch will play the music. You touch it again, that stops the music. Now, if you didn't like the song that you were playing, you can move up to the next one. That's a double tap. That will move you to the next song. And if you really wanted to play that song that you just listened to, say you like that song, you want to replay it, you tap 3 times. And you'll hear the clicking inside from the speakers on the side here. You'll hear the clicking to know how many times you're tapping. So that's a 3 tap for going back to the previous song. Now, if you wanted to turn the volume up, you swipe forward towards the lens. You'll hear a click. Now that just means you're swiping forward. Now, if you want to turn it down, you swipe back towards the back of the glasses. Now, if you have Spotify, which I don't have Spotify, I use Apple Music. If you use Spotify, if you tap and hold while you're playing the audio, that'll put the Spotify tap on. And then that will get you into your Spotify music. Next, we're going to go over calls coming in. Now, say you're driving and there's multiple people in the car that you don't want listening to your conversation, to go over your Bluetooth in your car if you have that feature. With your glasses on, if a call is coming in, you have to just tap twice to answer it, okay? Now you're on the phone call talking to that person, and if you want to say bye and end that call, you just tap again twice. That will end the phone call. If you don't want to answer the call coming in, you tap and hold on the side button. That'll cancel the call. The next thing I want to show you is voice commands. So you can wake up Meta to speak to Meta by just tapping and holding. A light will show up and you'll hear an audience sound that is active. Now you can talk to Meta, ask many questions, whatever you want to do, send a text message, whatnot. To confirm the action of what you're asking, you tap twice, okay? And to cancel the action or silence an announcement that's coming in, say a message or like that, you just tap and hold. And that's voice commands on the touchpad. Next thing we're going to go over is the capture button, okay? Remember, the capture button is at the top here on the right side of the frame, at the very top. You can't miss it. It's a little button right here, okay? And the first thing I'll go over is live streaming. Now, that's on Instagram and Facebook options. If you want to switch the camera from your phone live streaming to your glasses live streaming, you just tap the capture button twice, okay? And that will switch it from your phone to your glasses seeing your point of view. Now, if you want to pause that live streaming, you just press and hold. And that will pause the live streaming. Pretty basic for live streaming on how the options work. Last thing I want to go over is photos and videos. Now, taking a photo is pretty basic. Wherever you're staring at, you tap the capture button one time on the top. That'll take a photo. Now, if you want to start videoing your point of view, you tap and hold. That'll automatically start. You'll hear a sound that will pop up that will tell you it's recording. And then to stop recording, you just press once. That stops recording. So those are just the basic features of the Meta glasses that you can utilize. They're great features, especially if you're going on walks or driving your car or want to take photos of things. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I'm trying to reach that 500 subscriber number, and I'll be giving a Rivian merch giveaway once that happens. So if you have any other questions or wanted me to do anything else, put some information in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. And as always, have a blessed day, and we'll catch you on the next one.